Welcome back to another earthquake video for feelable earthquakes up and throughout the night, so let's get right down to it. 2.8 magnitude earthquake at 7 kilometers northwest of Malibu, California. Happened at 3:36 a.m. Eastern Standard Time at a depth of 2.17 kilometers. If you felt this, let me know comment section below and from where, as I zoom into the epicenter. Okay, here we go. And appears to happen near a trail in the mountains. On Schwind Road, I believe it's called. But either way, that's really about it. See you in the next video. Bye.